1, 2, 3.
Maze's home in the name of Jesus. Claim it today. Amen.
Hey love bugs, it's Anissa Lamara. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are on part 3 of my home buying process, and this is a quick clip of the house that I was actually under contract for back in March of last year, where it fell through. This video is actually taken by my realtor Tina. I was so over the process at this point. I didn't even do any pictures, videos, nothing of this house, but I was under contract and it fell through at the last minute, maybe like a week or two before closing. And we're not gonna go down memory lane because I already went through this in the last video, so make sure you guys check that out. So in this video, we are going to go down memory lane. Right before I went under contract for the house I'm in now, I still was very, very undecided after going through a lot. My family came this weekend because this is the weekend I was supposed to close on the previous house. So they were already scheduled to come, so they still came, and we were able to view the house without Tina. And I really kind of got a feel of the neighborhood and a better feel of the house with me not being so emotional, and also with having the support of my family there, my mom, my grandma, my aunts. So they really helped me solidify how I could move forward in this process. So that was a Saturday. The following Tuesday, I went under contract and began the design process. As you can see, it was nothing but dirt, and the design process, to be honest, there weren't many selections, so there really wasn't a lot to show y'all. I did get to choose the cabinet type, the countertops, paint, all of that, so I'm going to show y'all a little bit of that behind the scenes.
That's beautiful.
Yeah,
you can literally.
I love this. Love it.
It has
a little bit of gray in there too.
It does.
Yeah, for sure.
And the white in there.
Love it. Okay.
So these are standard granite in your kitchen.
Okay.
You don't pay extra for your island or your kitchen countertops if you use either of these two colors.
Okay.
If you go up to this, it's about $100.
Okay.
If you go up to this, it's $25.
Okay.
$24 to $2,500. Okay.
Decisions.
These are the standard.
Mm-hmm.
Those two, yeah, Luna Pearl. So what we do is we'll put it. We usually stick it in this corner up here. You can kind of see, around that way so the sticker's not down.
Yeah.
So you can kind of get a palette, like a look of the palette.
So that was the design process. Not a whole lot. Honestly, the thing that took the most was deciding what I wanted the outside to look like. I had two options, and I chose the most, stylish option, of course. And then from there, I signed the contract maybe 2 or 3 days later. So that was in April. They didn't start building until the end of July, maybe August. And then once the frame went up, everything went so fast. So I was out near the house all of the time. There were so many different updates. I had to do inspection, and I had to go up there and meet my realtor for certain things. And so it was a very, very fast process once the actual slab got down there, and then especially once they got the frames up. But dealing with new construction, you don't have to compete, but it takes a bit longer. So you have to weigh out those pros and those cons. It took forever. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I was so over waiting for materials, but once they got there, it went fast. So this is the house. It looks so good. A lot more left to be done, but I'm praying the next couple of weeks they can get all this stuff out of the way. So we're out here. I haven't seen Daphne in so long. And we're matching.
Yes.
We're twinsies. So I am up by my house. It is getting built. It is right behind me. I'm so excited. It's happening. It feels real. God is good.
God is good.
And Lord, just let me make it through the closing. Oh my God. Get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Oh my God. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted the outside of my house to look like.
Oh, the floors are covered. We can't see them.
They must be done.
Well, they put the carpet on the,
Oh, they did.
going up the stairs. There's carpet upstairs.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video and you got a little bit more insight on how new construction works. I know the videos were kind of all over the place, but my life was all over the place at the time. So, you know, we reflected that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys check out the other 2 house process videos and stay tuned for my closing day video. Until next time, see you guys later. Peace.